Victor Fast Kill brand mouse and rat bait stations are a quick and easy way to eliminate rodent pests. In this video, we'll show you the available styles, the unique benefits of our bait stations, and finally how to fill and use them. Victor bait stations come in several different varieties to target mice and rats. Disposable stations are available for use with mice. After the bait is empty, you can simply throw it away. The refillable stations are available in both rat and mouse sizes. These stations can be endlessly refilled and reused. All of our stations come pre-filled and ready to use. Victor Fast Kill brand bait stations are unlike any rodenticides you've used before. Dual entry tunnels allow rodents to enter from either direction as they travel, encouraging them to interact with the station. The palatable bait ensures that rodents eat enough to receive a lethal dose, so you can control more rodents with less bait. All stations have beveled columns to prevent small fingers from reaching in and touching the bait. The disposable stations can't be opened at all, eliminating access to bait. When using refillable stations, the housing locks together to keep it from being easily opened. When opening the rat bait station, use your finger to press the release tab on the back of the station while using the other hand to squeeze one of the release tabs on the front, then pull to open. To open the mouse bait station, hold it in both hands and use your pointer finger to press the release tab on the back of the station. While pushing the back release tab, squeeze the front release tabs with your other hand and pull on the front of the station to open it. Next, remove a new bait block from the package while wearing the included gloves. Place the bait on the holder post. Slide the front of the station back into the housing until you hear it click. Place the trap along walls, in corners, or where you've seen signs of rodent activity. Leave the station in place until at least 4 days have passed without any signs of feeding activity.